Hi everybody! In this video, I will be showing you how I make my DIY Shea Butter Moisturizing Cream for my 4C Natural hair. So stick around! Welcome back to my channel, guys. So if this is your first time with me, or if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It's so nice to have you here. So the ingredients are essential oil of your choice. I'm using the peppermint essential oil. Next is the African shea butter, 100% natural, unrefined. And a leave-in conditioner of your choice. I'm using the Originals Olive Oil Leave-In Conditioner and extra virgin olive oil. This one I'm using is Badia. I also have here my measuring cup, a storage container, and a mixing bowl. Oh yes, and you will need a spoon. So the first ingredient I'm going to use is the shea butter, and you will need about half a cup of the shea butter. Now this here is a 16-ounce container, so I'm going to take out half a cup, or 4 ounce. Okay, so I'm going to transfer this shea butter into my measuring cup, which I should have done in the first place to make sure I have the correct amount of shea butter, which is half a cup. Okay, so I'm putting the shea butter back into the plastic bowl so I can put it in the microwave to soften it just a little bit. Okay, so here I have my softened shea butter that I put in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds. You don't want to keep it in there too long for it to melt. You just want to soften the shea butter just enough so that you can mix in the other ingredients. Now I'm adding in my leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to use 1/2 cup of the leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I'm going to add this 1/2 cup of leave-in conditioner to the softened shea butter, and I'm going to blend it in well until it's smooth and creamy. Now it's time to add the extra virgin olive oil to the mixture. And for this, I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Okay, and now it's time to add the essential oil. In this case, I'm using the peppermint essential oil, and you're going to drop about 6 drops in there, and then you're going to mix it well, making sure all the ingredients are blended in a smooth consistency. You're going to get all the oils mixed in there really good so you can have a nice creamy moisturizing product. And there you have it. Now that your mixture is all blended, it is time to transfer it to your storage bowl. And I'm using an 8-ounce plastic container to store my mixture in. So you can go ahead and pour it in your storage container. And as you can see, this looks really good and creamy. So this is how I make my DIY Shea Butter Moisturizing Hair Cream. This cream keeps my hair moisturized for up to 3 days. So go on, give it a try and let me know what you think. Guys, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you'll know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Until next time,